Hello everyone. Point of sale customer profile app helps point of sale user to create and customer contacts and address from the point of sale session. Once this module is installed, we need to complete some point of sale configuration. So let's get into the settings. From here under point of sale, we can see an option for customer profile option. Once you select, where we can see in two options. One is an only parents and another one is an all customer. If you select only parent, which helps user to manage the customer and their contact effectively within a point of sale screen. Or if you select all customer, it will works as a normal point of sale profile. Okay. Now let's select only parents, and now we need to save this option that we have configured. Once this is done, let's get into the point of sale and open the new session. So from here in this point of sale screen, let's get into the customer page where you can see an option for contact as well as an profile type. Okay. So for each and every contacts, we can see the contacts as well as the profile type. So for this contact, you can see what are the sub contacts that we have added by clicking on this icon, where you can see all the contacts with the details of it, where you can see the name, address, contact, and also the contact type as well. Okay, and here you can see the create option, which helps user to create a new contact from this page, and where you can see the parent and where you can add an contact type. Okay, and we can fill the other more informations like street, city, postal code, states, email, phone, barcode, okay, tax ID, and so on. So what are the things that you have entered in the customer details will be automatically saved in the backend too. For example, let's create one new contact. Okay, and we need to add and other more informations like this. Okay, so once every informations will be filled, we can save this one. So once you click on that particular contacts again, where you can see the contacts will be already created, and like the same way you can see the same contacts from the backend too. Contacts will be created automatically with the informations that we have added. So in case if you have selected the configuration and as all customer, okay, now let's see how it actually works. So for that we need to open the new session. So here in this point of sale screen, let's get into the customer. So from here you can see it will be act as a default Odoo point of sale screen. In this way, we can make use of this module to help the point of sale user to create and customer contacts and address from the point of sale session. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.